So, welcome everyone in our SIG meeting. In our SIG meeting, we will talk about tourism place ya. Di pertemuan yang ke-6 ini kita akan belajar tentang tourism place. But yeah, before we start our lesson, let's be pray depend on our religion. Tapi sebelum kita mulai pelajarannya, mari kita berdoa untuk agama dan kepercayaan masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Amin, berdoa selesai. So, untuk tourism place, there is Taj Mahal in India. Picture? Which picture? Gambar yang mana? Nah, ini gambarnya dulu, jangan langsung India.
Taj Mahal, oh.
Ya, gambarnya dulu, Taj Mahal. Ya, lalu ke India. Dari Taj Mahal lalu, bukan, salah teman-teman. Dari masjid lalu ke India. Kayak yang Big Ben ini. Coba gimana?
Oh gitu.
Ya. Ya, itu Itali. Bentar teman-teman. Aduh. Ya, gini, bener ini yang merah. Next. Ya, Eiffel Tower in Paris. Paris mana?
Prancis.
Ya, French. Next, Great Wall dulu, Great Wall. Di mana Great Wall?
Miss, piramidnya lupa.
Oh iya, piramid.
Piramid tuh di mana?
Cina, Miss, Cina.
Great Wall itu Cina. Iya, Great Wall di China. Bisa cek dulu.
Piramid di mana?
Good. Piramidnya di mana? Piramidnya itu di Egypt.
Paling atas.
Egypt.
Tulis Egypt, di mana Egypt? Good. Egyptnya di mana?
Mesir.
Next, lalu Great Wall.
Oh.
Cina.
China, mana China?
Oh, sudah.
Wait. Ya, good. Selalu ada Sydney
Liberty.
Opera House. Ya, Liberty dulu. Sudah terlalu bersemangat ya. Liberty, where is Liberty?
Sebentar.
Ya, sebentar.
Di bawah Taj Mahal.
States. Ya, United States. Good. Liberty, United States. Next, where is Santo Basil Cathedral? Ya, ini ada di Rusia.
Oh.
Gereja Santo Basil.
Gereja.
Ya, gereja itu.
Tuh.
Next, where is? Nah, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Good ya. Sudah lihat dulu. Good job.
Landmarks of the world. Burj Khalifa is a very tall skyscraper in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and it's the tallest building ever built at 828 meters. Before the building opened, it was called Burj Dubai. The building is 162 stories high. The construction of the tower started in 2004. The building was officially opened on 4 January 2010. It is the tallest structure made by humans in the world. The Statue of Liberty, located in New York, USA, officially called Liberty Enlightening the World. It symbolizes the idea of freedom that America was built on. It was a gift from France in 1886. The Eiffel Tower, located in Paris, France. It is named after engineer Gustave Eiffel. His company designed and built the tower. It is the worldwide symbol of romance. At the beginning, artists hated the tower. They wanted to destroy it, but the government kept the construction. Now people from all over the world come to Paris to see the Eiffel Tower. The Great Wall of China, located in Beijing, China. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It runs in sections over a very long distance across China. The wall is also referred to as Long Wall, as it is over 21,196 kilometers long. It was built with stones, bricks, and tiles, earth, as well as wooden materials. The wall was completed in 1644, but it took more than 2,000 years to build. Colosseum, located in Rome, Italy. It is the largest amphitheater ever built. It is an open theater. It was used long time ago for shows, including gladiators. A gladiator is a man with a sword. He was risking his life just to amuse other people. Stonehenge, located in Wiltshire, England. It is a prehistoric World Heritage Site. It is made of a hinge with standing stones encircled. Around 2600 BC, the builders gave up timber in favor of stone. Most of the construction took place between 2640 and 2418 BC. The Sydney Opera House is located in New South Wales, Australia. It is famous for its roof architecture resembling shells or sails. The Opera House was designed by John Utzon from Denmark, and it was built between 1959 and 1973. The roof is covered with more than 1 million roof tiles. These were manufactured in Sweden. The Opera House has several performance halls and theater and exhibition space. More than 40 shows are staged here every week. Every year, more than 8 million visitors visit this Australian landmark. Big Ben, located in London, England. Its official name is the Elizabeth Tower. Why Big Ben is called the Big Ben? No one knows for sure, but there are 2 theories. It might have been named after Sir Benjamin Hall, who oversaw the installation of the Great Bell. Or the tower might be called Big Ben because of the heavyweight champion who had the nickname Big Ben. Egyptian Pyramid, located in Giza, Egypt. Egyptian pyramids were built as tombs for buried Egyptian pharaohs. Pharaoh was supposed to be a human god. Egyptian pyramids are the oldest construction in the world. Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India. Taj Mahal means crown of palaces in the Persian language. In 1632, the Emperor Shah Jahan instructed to build a tomb for his favorite wife, Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal houses the tomb of his favorite wife as well as a mosque and a guest house. It has been built with white marble and the finest materials sourced from all over Asia. It has said that more than 20,000 workers built the monument and over 1,000 elephants were used to help with the transport of the heavy materials during the construction. It attracts more than 8 million visitors every year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel.
Cuma aku mau bilang bagus.
Bagus ya. Kapan ya kita jalan-jalan ke sana ya? Keliling-keliling, traveling.
Mungkin kalau sudah ada berkat Tuhan.
Ya, sudah ada berkat Tuhan ya, traveling secara virtual aja kita. Karena lagi corona. So yeah, thank you everyone for joining the meeting today. Before we close our lesson, let's be pray depend on our religion. Jadi terima kasih sudah selesai ya pas jam 9. Pas jam 10. Thank you for joining the meeting today. Before we close our lesson, let's be pray depend on our religion. Kita berdoa dulu untuk menutup meeting pada hari ini. Berdoa dulu. Amin. Berdoa selesai. Thank you for joining the meeting today and see you on Wednesday. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss.